Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Talk. In last video, we have seen how to create a database. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a table. Also, we will see what are the various ways of creating a table. In last video, we have seen database is nothing but a collection of data. Here we'll learn what is a table. So basically tables are nothing but a database object that contain all the data. In another way, I can say table is a logical representation of data, and data we can store in row and column format. The syntax for the create table is very easy. In the table name, we'll have to provide a table name, and in the column field, you will have to provide a member of the table. And in data type, you will have to specify the type of the data. Here, I will give you one example. Let's say you must have to create a table which is going to store a employee detail. Roughly, you can design the structure of the table with columns. When I say employee detail, so you can think it could have employee name and data type for the employee name. And then employee name data type should be varchar. Why I am defining a data type as a varchar here? I will ask one question to you. Do you see any name with a number appended in it? You can consider the my name Nikhil1234. Have you seen this type of name? No, right? Never seen the name like this. This way, your name should be in a string only. We cannot define a name with a number. So I'm making the data type as a varchar. Now you will again think why varchar? Don't worry. In SQL, you can consider varchar as equivalent to string. In the similar way, you can define the others column with their data. SQL Server is providing a categorized data type. While designing a table, make sure you are choosing the correct category and correct data type. I will make a separate video on data type. Please check out that video for better understanding of data types in detail. Now we'll see how to create a table in SQL Server. So I already created a sample database here and I am using this sample DB. Now in the left side you can see inside the table there is no table right now. So I am creating a one table, create table. I am giving the name as employee details. I am taking the some fields, ID, int, maybe I'm giving the employee name, employee name. Why I'm giving the size here? Because the name should not be beyond the 50 characters. Here I'm giving the age as int. Also I'm giving mobile. Here I'm taking the big int. So I'm taking as a address as a nvarchar 50. Email. Okay. These are the fields. Let me execute it. Table got created. Here you can see the table is created. Inside a column also you can see the all the columns which we define. One thing you will, so here you will notice dbu dot is appended before the table name. So this thing I will explain you in the next video. There is another way of creating a table that also I will explain you in this video. Let me drop the table. I deleted the table. Let me refresh it again. You can see the table got deleted. So from the Object Explorer also you can create a new table. Here I am giving the name, ID, data type. Here you can see the list, data type list. You will have to select this list. Otherwise you can type here int employee name. It's a varchar 50 age int address. Big int. Click on this save button. So it will asking for the table name. Here you will have to provide a name. Employee details. Let me refresh the table now. Here you can see the table got created. So I explain you the two ways of creating a table in. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and comment.